Hey guys, welcome back to another Thank Truck. It's Friday. This week we're going to show you the transformation on this Iveco S-Way. Here we are then, another 570 S-Way on the channel. Looks awesome already. Someone has already done some paint work on this. If you recognise it, top job. It's really good finish, I have to say. It's really great. We can't take credit for it, but we are going to improve it. This video, hopefully you're going to get to see quite a lot of that process. We're adding a custom painted light bar. There's a progressive safe system going on it. Okay, I know it's a bit boring, but it's quite a topic right now, so we can't wait to show you that as well. There's air horns going on. Of course, there's additional lighting with the light bar. So yeah, there's so much going to be going on in this truck. It's going to look awesome when we get to the end of it. So let's just crack on.
Show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care. Oh, 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 the rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties.
It is actually chilly though, not like, you know, you're chilly at 23 Celsius. And here it is, awesome blue and white Iveco S-Way. As I said, it was already awesome. We've added more stuff just to increase the look of it even further. We'll start at the top. We've got a Kelso high bar up there. That's been color matched in the Rail blue. Some laser lights and beacons up there as well. I think the whole thing looks really cool, makes it look really aggressive up the top there. I really love those low profile beacons as well, the way they're angled. I think it looks awesome. Moving down, the eagle eyes amongst you will have probably noticed on the previous clip that it was already on there, but we've got the SmartAware progressive safe system. That's a front AI camera for moving off information system, a side camera, which is that one up the top there, for a blind spot information system, and then we also have the additional blind spot camera down here just covering that off. And also inside the cab we've got a screen on the A pillar which is active on left turn, and then we have the actual blind spot and moving off system information display as well. That's in the cab on a separate little tiny, really neat little box there, which gives you audible, visual, spoken warnings. The whole system does a full check before it boots up and all the stuff that it's meant to do. And yeah, so that's on here as well. Moving down the side, we've got our side skirts. We have featured those before, definitely on this channel. These are our latest generation of side skirts. We have a new cutout on the near side, or not new cutout, but a different shape cutout on the near side for the exhaust outlet. We also use the OEM Iveco exhaust deflector, and we've just finished it off really nicely with a bit of stainless steel trim there as well. I really like these skirts. They've got like a modern, quite aggressive styling look. There's obviously lots of different ones out there and it's everyone's personal taste, and maybe I'm a little bit biased. However, I think this styling with this cab, they look awesome. Also on the offside, you've got your step access, stainless steel steps, and it's all been painted in the polar white to match the cab and everything else. So yeah, that's cool. We better switch around to the back and I'll show you what we've done on the rear. Wait, I forgot about the air horns. On the roof, 22-inch Hadley Air Horns. We fitted those as well. They're on the main horn isolator in the cab. I don't know, how did I forget Hadley's? Step access on the offside, as I was saying, with these tread plates. Makes it nice and safe for the driver to climb up onto the back of the cab, where we can see a nice colour matched blue perimeter kit as well. These have got the 3-in-1 lights in, tail brake indicator all the way up and round. Nice bit of Iveco detailing at the top there in the red. I think it just brings in the styling on the front round to the back as well, so I think it's a really good choice by the customer. Yeah, there's not much more to tell you about perimeter kit, so let's go inside. Okay, so here we are in the cab. Nice spacious cab, these S-Ways, I really quite like them. We've added in our CabStore Locker system. That gives the driver another 500 litres worth of storage. I know you've seen loads of these on our channel. Maybe not too much of the S-Way one though. 3 roller shutter doors, 3 huge compartments. We can add underglow, we can add interior lighting. It's great for popping a microwave in, coffee makers, loads of different options. This one is just the locker. Colour match to the interior as well, which I think looks awesome. So yeah, that's what we've got here. And then here down by my knee, we've got our SmartAware display for the progressive safe system. You'll be seeing some B-roll of that. And also on the A-pillar as well, there's a screen and a pedestrian indicator. On the dash, we've got our spotlight switch, our air horn switch. Both of those are on the OE. This truck didn't have beacon prep, but we've put in a beacon switch as well, just to operate the beacons on the bar. And yeah, that's it. I think overall this truck looks awesome. Thanks ever so much to Southwest Truck and Van, Craig, for trusting us with this one again. You can win a Renault in our big truck giveaway. If you haven't already entered, click on this link up here to watch the latest video. Drop a comment down below on that video. Subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed, and you can be in a chance of winning that truck for free. That's all you have to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.